How you doing, everyone? I'm Manny. Welcome back to the channel. If you've seen the last video, I was talking about the K24 swap possibly going into the all-wheel drive Civic. So I'm going to show you some parts that came in. So right here, I actually have a universal fuel filter, and it came with different AN fittings. This is a cheapo brand. Obviously, you see no name on it, no name brand. It's a fuel filter kit. Has multiple AN fittings, gauge. This aluminum bracket, it's alright. I probably could have made this myself. Bunch of sharp edges, honestly. Yeah, you can see where it came from right here. I got some more hoses here and some more fittings, 6 AN fittings. I think I'm going to be making fittings that are going to go on the valve cover, and I'm going to have to get some bungees to weld on. And what else? Last thing that came in, I talked about getting a new clutch for the K24. So this is a clutch and flywheel set from XTD. I paid $149 for this, free shipping. I got good and bad reviews about this, but I ended up getting it anyways because it fits my budget and I want to try it out anyways. So you can see it came with a decal and stuff. So I'm actually gonna start installing this right now. So you guys just stick around for the next clip. Alright guys, so we got the clutch installed. Everything was torqued down to specs. Now we have the transmission here, the all-wheel drive transmission that we're gonna start to attach. Already changed out the bearing, put some grease on there, and now we're just gonna, bolt it to the engine. Tomorrow I'm just gonna take apart the intake manifold so I can re-clean everything and get it ready for a nice aluminum paint job. guys, it's a new day. So today I was supposed to pretty much prepare the K24A2 and primer it and paint it, but I got some other plans for today. At the yard, an RSX came in, and it's a 5-speed, so I'm gonna drive an hour away, see if I can get it before anyone else, because the last time I was there pulling the all-wheel drive transmission, I ran into a gentleman who pulls transmissions for a living, and I beat him to the punch. But the website didn't give me what transmission was gonna have in it, so I had to do my research and match up VIN numbers to previous 6-speed and 5-speed transmission. So if you guys do your research and you don't know what transmission a vehicle is gonna have, if you match up VIN numbers, the VIN numbers can tell you what kind of transmission it's gonna have. So I'm gonna head out to the junkyard. All right, guys, welcome back, and we made it to the junkyard. And I was doing a little bit of walking around, and I got into some good deals that I was just not expecting. On my way to the RSX, I ended up running into the AWD, and this right here is a 6-speed manual transmission. And if you guys don't know AWDs in the V6 line, 6-speed transmission is probably one of the hardest trannies to find. So I'm gonna do a walk around right here. I'm gonna go ahead and skip the RSX tranny and start working on this. And if I can finish this in time, and grab the tranny, then I will walk down the same row, literally a few cars down, and I'll start working on the base model transmission for the RSX. So this is just the base model. It's a 5-speed. I wanted the transmission, but if I can get the 6-speed first, I'll go ahead and take that one. But you can see this is the RSX right here that I was talking about. So these transmissions are just getting harder to find, but I'm gonna hold off on that one, and I'm gonna start working on this 6-speed. This is only gonna be the second time that I ran into one, and I got it the first time around. So I'm gonna go ahead and start working on this. I'm gonna put you guys on the tripod, and we'll see how long this takes. Hopefully I can finish before lunchtime, maybe get started on that one, and hopefully get a sale.
Even when the heart gets going, even when I've lost all control, I know that you're calling me to you. It doesn't matter where I've been, this love isn't based on what I've done. Jesus, let your love take over me, till the life runs out.
Alright, hi everyone, welcome back. I got the transmission removed, and let me tell you something, that transmission was a pain in the dick, but I got it out. Here it is. 6-speed tranny, AWD. I'm going to remove the engine harness from the computer and also take the shift linkage, because I think I can use that for my K24 swap, because the linkage, it's different from my other linkages. But the RSX, someone already came by and took the transmission, but that's okay. I'm gonna finish this up. Alright, welcome back everyone. I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna show you guys the transmission, and hopefully on my next video I'll get to painting the K24 all-wheel drive and getting it ready for the swap into the Civic. So here is the transmission all cleaned up now, and I'm gonna prepare it, get it ready for shipping as soon as I get a buyer, and we'll go from there. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, please subscribe and comment, and stay tuned for more videos.